background is actually in science, and I didn't want to continue with that. I wanted to actually go into business. It takes a long time, particularly when you haven't done a law degree, and I did a science degree, so I had to convert. I actually did an accelerated degree for graduates at Birmingham University, which was a 2-year course, and it was pretty intensive. And from then I went on to do the LPC in London and got a training contract, and then I've trained here and I've been here ever since. An average day is generally pretty busy. My specialism is within international trade and actually obviously competition law. I sit within the EU competition and regulatory team. So the area within which I work spans and affects all types of businesses in a range of different sectors, particularly those businesses within the engineering, diversified industrial sector, who are exporting kit and information outside of various jurisdictions, and it's advice they require daily, but it's a high risk area for them, and so that to have somebody that they can come to and to get some advice, be it on the phone or written form, I think they value that, and I hope that I can add value to the businesses. While much of my advice focuses on UK and EU law, it is important to be able to pull in specialists from other offices globally to be able to give tailored advice to the clients. More often than not, the clients have to account to the business for the cost that's being incurred in terms of legal advice. But I think engagement with the client is absolutely key to work out what it is they want from the advice. And it's very important that it's scoped properly, both in terms of the output and in terms of cost. With every piece of advice, there's a balance to be struck between providing enough information but not overloading a client with information that frankly isn't necessarily going to add anything to the advice that you're providing. And the advice that I give, I hope that it assists clients in terms of growing their business, not acting as a blocker but actually facilitating them to do what it is they want to do within the bounds of the law, so that they don't encounter any problems. They want a brief summary, but ultimately the conclusion at the top. Can we do this or can't we do it? If we can't do it, why can't we do it? And then in terms of what I like to do outside of the office, my particular passion is fitness and training, and that's where my escape is. Going to the gym or going for a long run. Corporate social responsibility is something the firm focuses on a lot. It's a big thing for the firm. It's a big thing for employees. Actually, we all embrace it.